Welcome to the course on Dark Web. My name is Shubhang Prajapati and I will be the instructor for this course. In this course, you will be learning about the technologies, risks and ethical implications of the Dark Web. Let's take the overview on the Dark Web. The Dark Web is a mysterious place where anonymity is prevalent and illegal activity thrive. It is a network of websites that are not indexed by the search engines and require specific software to access. What are you going to learn in this course? In this course, you will be learning about the basics of the Dark Web, how it works, and what kind of websites and activities can be found there. You will discover the tools and techniques to use and navigate through Dark Web safely and securely, and many more. Here's an outline of what we will cover in this course. We will start by defining what is Dark Web and how it works from the other surface web. Then we will dive into the technologies that powers the Dark Web and the tools and the techniques used to access it. We will be exploring the kinds of illegal activities that take place on Dark Web, including drugs, weapons, and cybercrimes. You will be learning about the risks and danger associated with the Dark Web and what precautions you can take to stay safe. Through the course, we will look at real-life examples, case studies, to understand how criminals use Dark Web for illegal activities and what could have been done to prevent it. Finally, we will examine the ethics of using Dark Web, including privacy and security concerns, legal issues, and government surveillance. This is a quote, word full of wisdom that someone important said and can make the reader get inspired from someone famous. Think about it. Conclusion. By the end of this course, you will have a solid understanding of Dark Web and its risks and equipped with the tools and technologies to use it safely and responsibly. So let's get started. Thank you for watching this video. Do you have any questions? Feel free to post in the Q&A section. See you in the next lecture. Till then, keep learning.